How long have you been using GMA Garnet?
Been using Garnet for about 15 years. Yeah. So first started when first introduced here, I guess in the Gulf Coast where our work is. What I like about it leaves surface a lot cleaner. It uses less consumption of abrasive, easier to clean up, less time to clean up as well.
What do you like most about GMA Garnet?
In the traditional abrasive, it would leave shadowing, which you would struggle to sell off the cleanliness of the steel when it was time for inspection, versus with the Garnet it leaves it white with very minimal shadowing, almost slim to none.
Have you found any times where Garnet wasn't optimal?
If you're removing a thick film liner, say anything 60 mils and above, you would want to go in first with a less expensive abrasive to remove the thickness of the existing coating, then come back with a Garnet, because although Garnet is harder and does work faster, with removals of thick film liner, it doesn't make sense to use Garnet on the initial blast.
What percentage of the time do you use Garnet versus other abrasives?
I would say 70%.
What are the reasons you don't use it on the other 30%?
The condition of the steel, where we're battling corrosion, and it's a bit tougher to get it cleaned, and pitted areas where it's just where you have to burn off rust scale, where your equipment that sees higher temperatures, where the corrosion is embedded into the steel, I would say, and it's a lot tougher to remove.
And finally, can you tell us about the cleanup costs of Garnet versus other abrasives?
I would say that your cleanup time is less. You're consuming less versus where, for example, you would use 15 pounds of another abrasive, you're using 8 pounds of Garnet. So in weight wise it's half, and volume wise it's reduced. So you'll see the savings at the end on the cleanup versus the upfront cost, where it costs more, but you save at the end of the job while you're doing cleanup.